Close your eyes and take in a slow, deep breath. Feel the air filling your lungs. And as you exhale, imagine your entire body beginning to soften. Tonight, you give yourself permission to let go, to unwind, to sink deeper into peace. Notice the weight of the day slowly melting away. With every breath, your body grows heavier, calmer, more at ease. Allow yourself to be fully here in this moment, safe, supported, and ready to drift into deep rest. With each exhale, feel tension dissolving from your shoulders, your neck, your jaw, every muscle loosening, becoming lighter and softer. A gentle wave of relaxation flows from the top of your head down to your toes. Imagine a soft, warm glow surrounding you, protecting you, holding you in perfect peace. Your mind is quiet now. Thoughts float away like clouds drifting in the night sky. You are calm. You are safe. You are free to rest deeply. As you drift toward sleep, affirm within, I allow myself to rest. I embrace unwinding. My body and mind are ready to heal and restore through the night. With each breath, you sink deeper into serenity. Deeper into stillness. Deeper into the healing rhythm of sleep. Good night, beautiful soul. May your dreams be peaceful, your rest be deep, and your energy renewed when you awaken.